Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grace Retreat and I'm here to show you and talk to you about the Dynamic Skin Recovery, my best seller. This is brilliant. It's in the Age Smart range, as you can see. So it's for aging skin, so anyone from kind of the age of 30 upwards, maybe even at late 20s, who really wants to protect their skin, prevent premature aging and have the best skin. This is the best way. Factor 50 in it, so it's got a really nice high factor 50 in it, so you know that you're protecting it from the sun, because the sun is what ages us the most, sun damage. So I apply it to the back of my hand, dab my finger in, apply to the corners of the face. The reason I do this is because then it spreads much nicer and you know you've got it everywhere. A lot of people apply to their moisturiser to the tips of their fingers and they just go and then it just lays there and then you're desperately trying to spread it. So this is the best way of you covering your whole skin and making sure that you're getting that SPF covered everywhere. So massage into your forehead, come down the nose, make sure you go everywhere. Avoid going too close to the eyes because it may sting because of the SPF in it. I use this moisturiser every single morning. Love it. I just know that I've got the age-fighting ingredients in there. It's going to help prevent aging, plump my skin up, stop all of those natural occurring damage that happens in your skin as you get older. This is going to help prevent that happening. Just literally going to try and slow down that aging process. It's going to protect you from that sun as well, so it's going to prevent any damage being done. As you can see, it leaves your skin lovely and glowy and gorgeous. So this is my daily moisturiser I use all the time. Dynamic Skin Recovery. It's got a lot going on in one little bottle. It's got everything. It's working on every level to keep you young and healthy. Main thing, healthy. Okay, massage it in. It's got SPF in it, so you're ready to apply your makeup. Or if you don't wear makeup, you're good to go. As I say, it's a day cream. Don't use this in the evening. You'd use something like Super Rich Repair or Overnight Repair Serum or Calm Water Gel, or my favourite, the Sleep Sound Cocoon, which is lovely, lavender. So you'd use that for evening, this one only day, but it's perfect. There'll be more information about the Dynamic Skin Recovery underneath. Enjoy this product. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.